Wouldn't you love the convenience of a beautiful glass shelf in your bathroom shower? This one here is the Moen glass bathroom vanity shelf. You can see I have two of them in action here. Here's what I love about them. Really nice brushed nickel finishes. That is fantastic. Here's something else that's pretty awesome. They are super easy to install, and you can put all of your great items in here that you would use for the bathroom. They look super classy. They are really easy to install. These ones here have been in place for 10 years. They have definitely stood the test of time with brushed nickel finishes and a really nice tempered glass shelf. Super easy to clean, and at my house, they're a family favorite.